Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy Tzatziki sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, which provides a great protein boost. We'll also use 1 medium cucumber, fresh dill, 2 garlic cloves, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. These fresh components are key to a vibrant, flavorful sauce that's both delicious and good for you. The secret to a thick, non-watery Tzatziki is proper cucumber preparation. Start by grating your medium cucumber using the large holes of a box grater. Next, place the grated cucumber into a fine mesh sieve or a clean kitchen towel. Firmly squeeze out as much liquid as possible. Aim for at least 2 tablespoons. This crucial step ensures your Tzatziki maintains its desired creamy consistency and rich flavor. Now for the fun part, mixing everything together. In a bowl, combine your 1 cup of Greek yogurt with the well-drained grated cucumber. Stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped dill. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of good quality olive oil. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, then mix until perfectly combined. For the best flavor, cover your Tzatziki and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. It's perfect with grilled chicken, as a dip for fresh vegetables, or spread on warm pita bread. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, healthy homemade Tzatziki.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.